Mountains evoke. Mountains fulfill. Mountains dare. Mountains accomplish. For mountains love the loving heart and embrace their wonderful followers. The most romantic mountain getaways in the world are heartwarming places for that dream of making love amid snowy peaks and lush meadows. The couple with camping backpacks walking to the mountain top. Slow motion stock video. Hiking, mountain, travel, people, adventure. The couple with camping backpacks walking to the mountain top. Slow motion. The couple with backpacks jumping on the mountain. Slow motion. Backpack, jumping, men, women, 4K resolution. World's top romantic getaways in mountains house all the thrill and luxury that'll leave you in awe. From jaw-dropping views to some of the most unusual stays that boast of elegant in-house facilities, these getaways embody everything romantic as well as exciting. They are for couples who don't mind the extremes that mountains bring along. Live in a villa perched on a clifftop in Arizona or go for a glamping in the woods surrounded by lush green alpines in South Africa, the choice is spoiling for a couple who love mountain adventures. If you have made up your mind, here are the 10 most romantic mountain getaways for couples you must check out. Some people might think floating along a Venetian canal on a gondola is romantic. But the shared challenges, triumphs, and fitness goals on these wholesome hiking trips for couples is a surefire way to bring you closer. Hit the mark. Landscapes come as standard on these trips, set in away-from-it-all locations, beneath star-stitched skies, where you can reconnect with each other and a small group of like-minded nature lovers, led by an expert guide. Lace up your hiking boots and reignite your love of the great outdoors with these tread-lightly trails, taking you from the Andes to the Amazon and beyond.